I remember I was feeling pretty confident, like after the test was over. I was like, was that really all there was to it? But then I had taken the math SAT in October, and then I thought that I had done well on that, but then I got my results back, and like they weren't that great, so I didn't want to be overconfident on this one, so I didn't tell that many people that I couldn't remember like any problem that I had gotten wrong. But then like when the so I guess I was feeling pretty confident. Yeah. So I checked my results at 2 a.m. and then when I checked it, I was really unsure. And like my sister was making me doubt it too because I told her about it and then she was like, no, you didn't. Show me the picture. So I took a picture and I sent it to her and then she was like, I think they made a mistake. You should check it in the morning. But then like I told her about it and then I woke my mom up and so with her and she was really happy and like really surprised. I remember she like kind of like bolted up in bed and I was like, what? Yeah, but weird. It was like I was really happy and shocked at the same time, and like in disbelief for a while. Yeah. I think the main thing is that you just have to keep practicing at it because the more you practice and like take more tests and maybe like go to exam club or stuff like that, you just really actually get better at it and then you realize like what not to do. Maybe for like critical reading, like if you made a mistake here, like there's a general idea behind that and then you can use that on the next one to not make that same mistake again. So the main thing is that you just have to keep practicing and taking the tests.